Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do multiplication in Microsoft Excel. This should be a nice short one, so let's get into the video. So in order to do this, you can see that I've got my Honda brakes, Toyota brakes, Mazda brakes, my sales spreadsheet here. So what I want to do, for example, in total sales, I just named this total sales. It's not actually total sales, but let's pretend it is total sales. So in order to do a multiplication, you first want to click on your cell and then hit the equal sign, click the cell that you want to do the first multiplication. So let's say the opening stock, multiply, and then you want to do the shift 8, which is a star, which is the multiply by. Now pick the cell that you want. So for example, we'll do 3, then press enter. And as you can see, 17 times 3 equals 51. And again, you can come over here, click on it, look at your formula to make sure that you highlighted the right cells, R10 and N10. Or, as always, you could always do the Fn on a Mac, F2, and it'll show you that. Or you could do just a function F2 in Windows. So that's it for the video. That's how you do a multiplication in Microsoft Excel.